Everybody sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Get out! Get out!
May prinsipyo may isang salita. Sa Aurora nyo. Sa Aurora nyo. Lingkad ng Serbia.
Welcome to Alof. We are celebrating Madam Aurora's 50th birthday in advance because she's traveling tomorrow back to Serbia. We're gonna miss you, Madam. So happy 50th birthday. I hope you love it and you enjoyed our surprise party for you.
Sige na.
Agoy, anak gyud siya kay ngano taas man sa paon.
Happy birthday, Aurora! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Have a safe flight tomorrow! Safe flight tomorrow! Have a safe
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Blagadag Pearl. For today's video, we are here at Alof Hotel to surprise our friend for her birthday. So here's the venue. Hi guys, this is Blagadag Pearl. For today's video, we are here at Alof Hotel to celebrate and surprise our friend Aurora. So she don't have any idea that we are surprising her. So we will see her reaction later, and I'm so excited, guys, because she doesn't have any idea at all. So let's see what her reaction later. Birthday greetings ka na, ate.
Ay, bigla ako na ano. Happy birthday, wish ko sa'yo lahat, all the best in life. Yan lang. Love you. Bigla ako na.
Here's my full outfit for today's video. So the theme is colored white and black. For the birthday celebrant, she should wear white color because it's her for 50th birthday. But then, if we inform her that she will wear gold, then she might have the idea. So we just tell her, because we told her that it's Ate Rica's birthday, and Ate Rica is 49th birthday this year. So she will have idea if we tell her that she should wear gold color. So we told her to wear white color, and the guests will wear gold and black. Or yeah, so she's the only one who's wearing we told her to wear white because the guests will wear white and black, but she's the only one who wear white, and the guests will wear black and gold. So she will not have the idea that it's her birthday, not Ate Rica's birthday. It's her 50th birthday surprise. So let's see what her reaction later. So I'm so excited for mother-in-law or Ate Al. So happy birthday. This is for the video. Hello, sir.
Ganun talaga ako, hindi ako participate na.
Wait on.
May gani ka nag-ingana ka dang kay ngano at least dili.
Puro na ito.
Kung dili ito.
Mo gid ako una nakuha nga dress.
Ha?
Mo gid ako una.
Isa ba yan?
Hello, Manay.
Si Ate Stella.
Hello.
Your tita for today's video. Stella. I'm your tita. Hello, Papa. Long time no see. Guwapa kayo ay
Hindi siya marunong mag-Bisaya. Hi.
Mura lang 10, 15. Makapin yun. Saka hindi nagtatagal. Ah, so yan, nagtatagal. Oo.
Ang sexy naman. Grabe. Nakakaya naman dumikit dito.
Umantay ko si Marga pa kasi magpalagay ako ng liquid.
Nag-makeup sila. Nag-makeup sila. Eh, Ate Rica.
Kumusta? Tapos kung yung 10 real, Makati. Bakit? Punta ka pala sa Pumayag ka nga. Sabi siya, pumayag. Ano bang kinakain ninyo? Makasibnes.
Oh, basic na. Ay, do. Birthday ko sa
Happy birthday ko na.
Behind the scene, no? Behind the scene. Nagura na. Dali lang.
Mag-isip ka, di ka masunduin ko lang, nanghinay lang.
O, kada o. 5.
Ano?
So, 1, 2. Pas-pas man siya. Mabilis ba? Mabilis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Ay, ate!
Ay, hello, ate. Hey, hello mo yung papa boy. Hello, sister. Hello. Nag-practice pa sila ganun tayo.
Ay, ate! Isa.
Ano po?
Hello, ate! Kagaya na lang ako. Ready na, oh? Ay, ready na, oh?
Moni! Hello, Teo. Hello, welcome back. Use your chair na lang pa.
Dahil! Mama dito kay nagkuha ko mama dito nag-teach. Nagsin ako mama instructor sa may kanya. Namatay akong panganak. Agad doon na ako ng lugar. Pwede na
Oh, pangitid sa mo. Upo muna kayo. Ate Anissa, pamili na maglingkuran na ninyo.
Day, dito ka, day.
Oh, para-
Sa akin, day. Asa mo ka, day.
Pirahan ha. Pirahan karton.
Jesus na.
Pirahan karton.
Social ang cake ni Madam Ah.
So, itago natin to. Ay, doon siya, isalubungin.
Wala tayong ibigay na flower. Ang sa oras?
May scotch tape ba? Idikit na lang.
Kasi mga ang kunin mga taga-dirigo.
Kalat ka na lang.
Ay. Bigyan mo rin ako ate. Okay lang ba? Kasi nagawa pang vlog. Ano to? Chicken?
Chicken.
Okay. Thank you.
Jira yan, may jira. Kung kumakain. Hindi ako kumakain yan. Dito lang ako sa plain rice.
Ah, sorry.
Potato.
Sige, mo tayo try ko niya. Ari na lang ang biryani. Laki ka. Yes.
Rice is life.
Ano ba yan? Tama.
So, ano na? Nasaan ko sila? Chicken na puri. Dahil sila, dahil
Sabi nga ng anak ko.
Ang asawa ko lang gano'n.
Sarap man siguro dahil ba't lumipat?
Bakit ano ka? Bakit ano ako?
Hi, darling.
Sarap.
Fabulous. Amazing. Minanalo na. Ano na tayo?
Uy, nala, lingkuran ng anak mo eh. So this is my food for today's video. So I have fish fillet and sambosa, chicken, and I don't know what is this one. Thank you. Okay na.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gopa. It's your birthday.
It's your birthday!
Look at the cake.
Come here, come here!
Naisahan kita! Ako na naman!
Happy birthday!
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Color mo yung bag. Dali, dali. Happy birthday! Ayan.
Happy birthday.
I'm speechless.
Lumipad niyo pa yung cake. Nilupad. Karoon lang dyan na ibalik. Okay. Ilan na lang dyan, kanang hangin kayo. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yung 15 na ano na, kalumipad yung 5.
Hindi mo mag-guess na namili ka pa ka? Anong feeling mo?
Wala, excited lang ako sa kanya.
Kasi nagsasash pa ako na happy birthday paglabas.
Grabe, ang galing!
Yeah.
Thank you! Sabi ko dito, mamaya pupunta daw sa bahay.
Okay, smile muna, smile.
Speechless.
Ay, God. Kala mo ka talaga. Natingnan mo yung cake mo. Ow!
Bilis ako ni sa katuning dati.
Face siya muna.
Idugo man. Ako idugo.
I don't know what to say. Don't know what to do.
Hindi siya maano ba ni Chuck?
Sige lang, ano na lang yun.
Pagunitan na lang yun.
Sabi ko, bakit hindi ka na?
Siya namimili ng damit mo.
Hindi, binigay ni ano. Ano ba, tip? Tipon ba niyo? Ikaw Bibili na ka rin. Thank you so much.
Let's eat first, okay?
Super speechless ako.
Happy 50th!
Naisahan na kita.
Bumanti ka ha. Thank you so much.
Bumante ako, bumante.
Ikaw kaya. Happy birthday. Thank you po. Na-remember mo ako kumanta ka sa birthday ko. Anong feeling na pinag-iyak? Anong feeling na pinag-iyak?
Nakakanto na ako. Dalawang beses ako yung pinaiyak dito.
Isa pa lang ha? Birthday, isa pa. Yung joke mo. Happy birthday. May para sa iyo.
Happy birthday.
Real gold, apparently. Invisible.
Yes, I'm so surprised. I'm speechless. Because I didn't expect. Because I thought this is her like birthday.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Oh,
so-
you didn't realise?
No. As in, I
We
don't
thought you were paying for it all.
know. It's okay.
Oh, good on you. Oh,
Thank you. Thank you sa surprise, mga gwapa. O, diba? Yung dalawang ano.
Picturean kita maya. Kain ka muna. Or picture mo kita ngayon.
Tsura mo muna. Pero ay,
Dito daw sila, madam.
Wow,
Dito na lang, walang, ay wala.
yung nawawalang candidate ng Miss Universe. Sabi niya pala. Oo. Tapos tinanggal niya. Sabi ko mag-white ka. Kasi black and white.
Yeah. I'll just take another more. Mayroong pond doon maganda.
Doon na lang sa dulo.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi po.
Birthday ko today. Wala, sa dulo.
Doon eh, puti.
Picture na kita dali habang may makeup ka. Dito.
Wala akong idea.
Asan yung phone mo? Picturean kita sa phone mo.
Ay, nakalimutan ko.
Picturean kita sa phone mo. Asan na? Next batch of. So this is our food for today's video.
Welcome to Alof. We are celebrating Madam Aurora's 50th birthday in advance because she's traveling tomorrow back to Serbia. We're gonna miss you, Madam. So happy 50th birthday. I hope you love it and you enjoyed our surprise party for you. Nakabalos ako nimo, naisa na din kita. Happy birthday. I love you.
A birthday celebrant. Send some greetings for Ate Ang.
Always take care of yourself. See you very soon.
Hope we made you happy today.
We have a prepared dance. TikTok dance for you. Cheers. And I hope you like it. We work hard for it. Yes.
For Ate Ang.
Birthday, Ate Ang. Hi, Ate Ang. Happy birthday. I hope you like your looks and congratulations.
Pag greetings kay Mother.
Ay, ano bang greeting ko? Happy birthday, Aw. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Wish you have always a good health and always happiness. And always, I hope that you can find you someone, a pam.
Happy birthday na.
Ha?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday kay mother.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, may kulot. Happy birthday, Ashley.
Ay,
For sure.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
okay. Perfect. Again. Again.
Happy birthday! Mama, happy birthday! Dalawang happy muna. Happy birthday sa'yo! Birthday mo na!
Kuya Adam, for a happy birthday for ano.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Perfect.
Here, do that, Tanya.
Yeah.
Sabi na, video ka na. Dito, bungit.
Rika told me you're going to...
Dulitan pa na ako. Dulitan ako daw.
Yeah, and really, I'm really surprised. I didn't expect. No, I'm going
2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Al! Wishing you the best.
Thank you. Ako sa video na habang nag-picture sila. Supported kay parang yung dapat.
May tae ka na, may tae. Kuya, may tae na, uy. Uy, simba ko pala. Happy birthday! Uy, ano naman, sablong ko.
Go, Doc. For the picture. Ate, Margie, go na for the pictures. Yung next batch. Next batch.
Ulitin na siya.
Mo-join na po ko. Ay, 17 din to, oh. Kaloka, mga mayayamanin. Ito, mga 17 din to. Ipagano na sila.
Well, on your shoes.
Siko, sandali. Kasi nabuhos yan kanina. Okay na naman si Balitikad.
Oh.
Kaya nga, hawakan yung 50.
Ganun ni Awo, 50.
Tayo na maghawak, well, ako sa 5 because of 0.
Next daw, mga contractor.
Ikaw, Ate Man? Sige, si Ate Man.
Hindi nakita.
Wala siya alam kasi alam niya nakaputi din tayo. Kaya nga nag-gold ako.
Ang sabi niya kasi lahat daw nakaputi.
Tapos siya lang ang black.
Kaya nga kung binilan ko siya ng makaputi, oh, para bagay sa kanya.
Kala mo, ikaw lang may pa-surprise, ha?
Go. Isdog din gamay nga cake.
Gusto ko formal. Kasi naitak ko. Ito lang madumbar yung security. Ako sa center. Uy, ano, security officer.
Bodyguard. Men in black. Ano ka daw?
Hawakan niyo yung 5-0.
Yes.
Ganyan.
Tama ka dang picture. Wait na siya pa pag silang i-video na hi in today's video. We are here to surprise our mother-in-law and she's surprised in my outfit. Next. Si Madam pa daw. Last wheel. Ako ng last wheel.
0.
Everyone is happy today to celebrate my bubilya. It's okay. Alam mo ba, lumipat pa yung fight sa taas kanina? Whisper with me.
Whisper with wings. Whisper with wings.
May retouch pa talaga. Hi.
Thank you so much for my birthday celebration.
Kapicture ako ulit.
Ay, sila pa pala. Ay, nanday, ayun na po ng uban.
Sige na.
Agoy, anak gyud siya kay ngano taas man siya kaon. Hindi siya makaputol. Putol gyud ang ulo ni Porlin.
Wait lang.
Ay, sus.
Ay, sus Mario Yosef.
Nakita na kuan. Sus lagi anak. Mamatag. Isa ka.
Nanday.
Ah, meron na. Okay, wait.
Microphone lagi dapat dari para matunggan.
Mag-one more ka na, one more. Oo, Ate Jenny, parang hindi ka nakasali dyan. Nasali ba kaya si Jenny? Ano pa naman? Ah, sige, one more. Pwede pala mag-karaoke o.
Timer, 8, 7, quiet children, 6, 5, 4.
Well done! Happy na mga seniors? Hello guys, so we are now at the last hour or last minute for our buffet. So grab some foods and you can continue your errands. And yeah, we have to blow the candle now. Sing a happy birthday to our celebrant. Oh, and then tables back. Oh, who are
Bakit kaya natutong pa yan?
here?
Wala ka ba yung mag-board?
Wala na yung mga
Oh, nobody will, grab foods? Yeah, because they're going to keep taking out the foods.
Sige, picture ka.
Yeah. This is the last and final call to all the passengers of this Alof. Please proceed at the center stage.
Ano, paano mo ako dito?
Hold on. Hold your pee. Go pee.
Kasi mag-picture ka.
Sige na. Ano ba, sasali ba kayo o hindi? Itigil na lang natin ito.
Everyone join us.
This motion is brought to you by Serbia Katol. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. 5, 6, 7, happy Pilipinas, happy to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow the candle, make a wish. Alright, let's give her a big round of applause. She didn't finish. One more. Hey to you, wee wee. Happy birthday to you, wee wee. Happy birthday to you.
Get out! Get out!
May prinsipyo may isang salita. Sa nyo. Lipat ng Serbia. Alright, so happy birthday once again, Aurora. You deserve all the happiness. But before that, we want you to hear something, like say something about your guest, your day, your eyelashes, your
Wala pa lang. Lisa, wala pa nag-order.
Ayaw sa hiwain.
Pinapatawag ko kayo dahil sa darating na eleksyon. Huwag niyo pong kalilimutan, isulat sa balota. Pangalan ni Serbia. Serbia Katol. Okay. Not joking now. Serious na. First of all, I would like to say thank you to everyone. I'm so surprised talaga. I didn't expect it. Kaya ko, madam. I didn't expect this surprise. Actually, it's not sinking yet. I didn't expect this surprise from all of you. Alam ko naman na mahal niyo ako. At mahal ko rin kayo. I love you all. That's why I miss to come here.
Mahal kita! Okay, tissue. Sino makeup boy? Sayang, may party pa tayo. Sayaw ka ba doon? Sayaw mo ba si Chris?
Kay Madam, to, of course, my BFF, napilit kami pinag-aaway, which is, hindi pa na, we don't know yet each other, but someone trying to
Break apart.
break apart. But we are matured enough and we understand the life and ayaw namin ng toxic.
Ayaw din namin.
Kaya, kahit hindi kami noon magkakilala, we don't know each other before. I know her from afar, and sometimes in the coffee morning, I was with her. But someone is trying to put negatively from each other, and they're telling that, oh, this person. But now,
Kapilit ko gulay din. Murag ikaw na niyo kung
honestly,
Pakuha na ba?
bakit naman, hindi ako nagpadala ba? Follow what I feel. And actually, I don't judge person. As long na yung person na yun is not doing bad thing to me. So, thank you, Madam, for letting me stay in your house, of course. Balik-balik ko. Hanggang nandito ka pa, mabalik pa ako. And of course, to everyone na nandito pa, I hope I'm welcome to your house. Nag-imbita na ng advance. I invite myself in advance, of course. Thank you so much, everyone. I love you all, and just keep in touch. Now there is a social media, you know. It's not difficult to reach out to each other, you know. We can. It's not necessary we say we keep in touch every day, but time to time, at least we know each other that we are in good. We are good in relation. We understand each other. So thank you very much. Maraming salamat.
Naiyak ka ba?
Hindi ko ito makakalimutan sa buong buhay ko. Thank you so much. Yung mga kasabwat. Sama pa kami talaga. Hindi talaga sila hindi ko talaga napansin. I didn't notice at all that you planned something big for me. And I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless us all. I love you all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. And thank you sa sponsor, of course. Hindi ko alam.
Hanap pa na sa ilalim. Check mo na lang sa ilalim ng
Hindi,
bag.
nandun sa bag ko.
Nasa loob ng
Thank
bag.
you kay Ate Anissa. You were sa wala. Si Ate Margie, I love you, te. Thank you so much.
Si Pauline.
Aking daughter-in-law, of course. Ate Raquel, be. Thank you, I love you, be. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Talaga, I'm so overwhelmed.
Announcement by Jupiter.
At saka yung mga kasabot kagabi na hindi ako sinama, at yung isa dyan, hindi ako sinama, and I asked him to
Send a photo.
send a photo, and he ignored me. And he said, I feel sleep, I want to sleep. Sabi naman nito, is surprise.
Yeah, it's a surprise now.
And at the same time, sabi niya, oh, you need to wear white because all of you are white. And I was surprised and everything. Everybody is black. Where's the white? Ikaw, madam. I love you, madam. Thank you, everyone. Manay, thank you, Papa. Oh, I love you. Papa, I love you, Papa. Thank you. God bless us all.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, you're the hours. You can dance and you can sing.
Mag-picture na one by one sa cake para
Okay, everyone, please have a photo for the cake.
And
Before
flower.
we have to cut this. Alright? Thank you, everyone. We love you all.
So this time, madams are dancing for today's video. So this time, Madam Au got her 50th birthday cake. Naputol tuloy yung Chanel. Chanelin. Ayun na, waka-waka na tayo.
Tanggal ng tangok tayo. I-present mo. Lumambot na.
Dahil ito na lang, dali mo sa Sabia.
Ayan na, nasa na. Magkain na kayo.
Kain na daw.
Dali nga yung baka yan.
Waka-waka.
Kaya yung bagi mo, alam, mahal mo.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you like to see more of my videos, please hit the like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.